Hi everybody, in this video we're going to determine what is the axis of symmetry or the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry for a parabola is the line that divides the graph into two equal pieces. It is in the middle. The equation of that line is defined by where it crosses the axis, the x-axis. So in this case, our axis of symmetry is crossing the x-axis at x equals -2. Therefore, the equation of our axis of symmetry is x equals -2. Our axis of symmetry also contains the vertex. The vertex of our parabola is located on the axis of symmetry. It tells us what our x-coordinate of the vertex is, which is -2. The y-coordinate is 9. So our vertex here is -2, -9. Now we can determine whether our vertex is a minimum or maximum. In this situation, because our graph is concave upward, our vertex is a minimum. There is a minimum value at -9. So our graph has a minimum value at -9. Let's take a look at another example. So our axis of symmetry, again, is in the middle, and it is determined by where the line crosses the x-axis. So on this graph, our line crosses the x-axis at x equals -2. Therefore, the equation of our axis of symmetry is x equals -2. Our vertex is on the line of symmetry. So our line of symmetry actually contains our vertex. The x-coordinate of our vertex is 2. The y-coordinate is 1. So this is our vertex. Our vertex is 2, 1. Now we can determine whether our vertex is a maximum or minimum. So our function here has a maximum value at 1. The y-coordinate is 1. So a maximum value at 1. It's your turn. Take a look at this graph and pause the video and determine what is the axis of symmetry, what is the vertex, and is it a minimum or maximum, and what is the minimum or maximum value. So this parabola has an axis of symmetry of x equals -1. It has a vertex of -1, 3. The vertex is a minimum at 3. 3 is the y value of the vertex. Now try another one. So what is the axis of symmetry and the vertex and the minimum or maximum of this graph? And is the vertex a minimum or maximum? Pause the video here and try again. All right, so how did you do? This graph has an axis of symmetry x equals 3. The vertex is located at 3, 0. This vertex is a maximum with a maximum value at 0 because 0 is the y-coordinate of the vertex. Good job in finding the axis of symmetry, vertex, determining whether it's a minimum or maximum, and determining whether the minimum or maximum what value is the minimum or maximum value. Look out for the next video.